everyone. 4 cards numbered 1 through 4 are shuffled, and 3 different cards are chosen one at a time. We want to make a tree diagram showing the various possible outcomes. So we have 4 cards, and if we draw the first card, what we're going to get, and I'm going to try to make this really big here. Let's see if I can get in the middle. So I'm going to go all the way over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is your first draw. You draw here. You can either choose first draw. You're either going to get 1, 2, 3, or 4. Now for the second draw, maybe I should move this one over a little bit. All right, so for the second draw, you can either get a 2, because you already drew 1, 3, or 4. And if you drew a 2, the first one, then the second draw, you would get a 1, 3, or 4. And the third one, if you if you drew a 3 the first time, then the other ones would be 1, 2, or 4. And if you drew a 4 the first time, then you'd be left with 1, 2, and 3. All right, so this would be the second, let's just put chosen, first chosen, and this would be second chosen. All right, now for the third chosen, if you drew a 1 and a 2, then your other 2 options would be here, 3 and 4. And if you drew a 1 and then a 3, the other 2 choices would be 2 and 4. And 1 and 4 would give you left with 2 and 3. So this one, 2 and 1, and I know I got this squished up too much. All right, so this is going to be 3 and 4 is left. And if you did 2 and 3, then you're left with 1 and 4. 2 and 4, you'd be left with 1 and 3. Okay, make sure I did that. All right, so do you see what we're doing? If you chose 3 and then you chose 1, then you're left with 2 and 4. 3 and 2, you'd be left with 1 and 4. And 3 and 4, you'd be left with 1 and 2. And then for this one, you're just writing the ones that are left out. So 1 and 4, that would be 2 and 3. And this one would be 1 and 3. And this would be 1 and 2. So that would be your tree diagram. And this part, this last one, would be your third chosen. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.